Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Dbeaver community edition on RHEL 10. Then we will connect PostgreSQL or MySQL from the same. First open any web browser, then go to Dbeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Then see here, Dbeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts and everyone working with the data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. Then see here we have the two versions, community and pro. In this video I am going to download and install community edition. So click on download. Then see here the latest release at the time of installation is 25.1.3. Then for Linux, scroll down. See for RHEL we have to download this RPM package. So click on it. It will download automatically. See, download started and its size is 127 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo RPM -ivh -nodeps Dbeaver. Press the tab to autofill entire RPM package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to application menu, show applications. See here we have the Dbeaver C. C means community edition. Click on it to open. Click on confirm. I don't want to create sample database. Now we will connect MySQL. Click on this plus button or go to database and select new database connection. Then select the MySQL. Not only MySQL, whatever the database system you want to connect, you can connect by selecting here. See here we have different options. I have already installed MySQL server on RHEL 10. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL on RHEL 9 or 10. Then here the server host, local host is fine because MySQL is installed on this one. Then port number is 3306. Then I have the database bank, username, root. Then provide the password of the root account. Then click on test connection. Now we have to download this driver. So click on download. Okay, successfully downloaded. Okay, this is the expected error. Click on OK. Now go to driver properties. Then allow public key retrieval. It is set false. So make it as true. Then click on test connection again. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand it. Expand databases. See here we have these databases. Users. See here. If you want to run queries against this database, right click. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Then we have to run the queries. Select star from I have a table customer. Select it and click on execute. See, we got the output. Okay. This is the way to connect to MySQL. If you want to connect PostgreSQL, click on this plus button, then select the PostgreSQL, then click on next. Then database name same for all databases, then provide the password of this user. Then we have to click on test connection. It is also asking to download the driver files that are missing. So click on download. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Then click on finish. See, above one is MySQL connection and below is the PostgreSQL connection. Expand databases. Run queries, right click. Then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure Dbeaver 25.1 on RHEL 10. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL from the Dbeaver. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.